This is the CR5429b-20, and let me tell you, this has some power. Now let's start things off with the brushless motor. This saw can make 670 crosscuts and 2x4 lumber per charge. It uses two PWRCORE 5.0 amp hour lithium-ion batteries to create 40 volts of power output. It also has a power management system which delivers up to 5,300 RPM for extreme cutting applications. And when used with the 24-tooth 7¼ inch carbide tip blade included in the kit, you will get the smoothest cuts possible. It powers through tough materials in a single pass with a 2 9/16 inch depth of cut. The blade has a 0 to 53 degree bevel capacity to customize your cutting angle as needed. This is a rear handle helical drive saw, so you have a clearer line of sight and increased power output with the saw. The electric brake reduces downtime between cuts by quickly stopping the blade. It also features an adaptable dust port that redirects the sawdust to keep your area clean. Now, with all this power and all these bells and whistles, this thing has to cost like $600 or $700, right? Wrong. You can get this 7¼ inch SKIL saw, a dual port charger, and two 20-volt 5-amp lithium batteries for only $249, which is a fraction of the price of the other saws on the market that have the similar performance levels. The link for this saw is right below in the description. So thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a comment if I missed anything or if you have any questions. And as always, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay up to date on all things OPT.